Hi everyone. So one of the most common problems that I hear from new Shopify store owners are like our Shopify theme is having limited sections. They are not very creative side. I want more sections. I want custom made client testimonials, but I don't know code. If this sounds something like you, then don't worry. Today I'll show you how you can easily add extra sections to your Shopify store without writing a single line of code and in just a few minutes. So let's see. This is my basic Shopify store theme. As you can see, it's having multiple sections like multi-column, collage, and collapsible content, and many more like slideshow, email sign up. But if you feel your store is still missing some sections or you want some more creative sections, then this video is for you. Let's look at the best options one by one. So first option is using Shopify's section app. Just open your browser and search for Shopify App Store. And in that, search for Shopify theme sections app. As you can see, there are many section apps that offer free and paid both ready-made sections like testimonial sliders, FAQs, gallery sections, etc., which can really make your website stand out. So you just have to install the app and add the section in your theme. So let's explore one of these. As you can see, we are having multiple apps like Section Store here, Oxify section, design packs. So let's see this one. You can also explore their demo store as well. Once you have selected the app that you want, just install the app to your store, as I have already installed this one. Let's have a look. Open your admin and open your app. Like as you can see, the sections are paid here. Most of the sections are of $9 and pro ones are having of 14. They're also offering some free sections which are really good. Let's explore one of these. Let's select the section that you want. For example, this one, click on the free section and add it to your live theme. Click on add. After that, just refresh your current theme. So every app is having its own setup guidelines. You can reach out to your app support for this one. They will help you. So for this one, you just have to write SS. And there you go. You can set up this section according to your needs. So there you go. This section is looking very much stylish. So you can explore other section apps as well. Okay, so just move on to the second option. So my second option is Shopify's own AI. As you can see, we are having a Sidekick AI, which can really help you creating a custom section for you. Just write a simple prompt explaining what section you want, and your Shopify AI will create it for you. For this, you just want to click on Add Section, Generate, and provide a prompt explaining like how do you want your section to look like. So I have already created a prompt. Just wait, and after a few minutes, you will get your custom made section ready without writing even a single line of code. There you go. Your section is ready. It's a slider section with text. You can explore all the settings that you need, and you can also provide feedback according to your requirements. So isn't it cool that in a few minutes you will get your custom made section ready? So let's move on to the last but not least, the third option, which is buying custom sections from websites or developers. Like there are many websites and freelancers online who sell one-time custom sections at affordable prices and easy to install. So let's explore some of these. Open your browser and just type custom Shopify pre-made sections. So it will give you some app recommendation, and as you scroll, you can see the websites that provides the pre-made sections. Like we are having this, and this. Just open one of these. So you can see these are the sections, and for another. So yes, you can explore these kinds of websites as well, and by the section that your website actually needs. So even if your theme is missing a section, or you still have options, even if you don't know how to code. So if this video helped you, like the video and drop your feedback to us, and share the problems you face as a Shopify store owner in the comment section below, and we try to resolve them in the easiest way possible. So thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Thanks.